What if the Ireland you've imagined is only the beginning? Beyond the famous cliffs of Moher and busy tourist spots, Ireland is filled with breathtaking places that feel like they belong in a fairy tale. From hidden beaches surrounded by dramatic cliffs to peaceful lakes, wild national parks, and colorful coastal towns, these destinations offer a completely different side of the Emerald Isle. In this video, we're exploring 5 hidden gems to visit in Ireland that deserve a place on your travel bucket list. We'll begin with the spectacular Keem Bay on Achill Island, then head into the untouched beauty of Glenveigh National Park, discover the dramatic Coamshingawn Lake, explore the charming village of Doolin, and finish in the colorful harbour town of Kinsale. So, if you're looking for incredible scenery, authentic Irish charm, and places that feel a little less ordinary, stay until the end, because Ireland's best-kept secrets might surprise you. Number 1. Keem Bay, Achill Island. Keem Bay on Achill Island is the kind of place that makes you stop and wonder if you've somehow stepped into a postcard. Tucked away on the western edge of Ireland's largest island, this beautiful horseshoe-shaped beach is surrounded by dramatic cliffs and rolling green hills, creating an unforgettable wild Atlantic Way experience. The journey to Keem Bay is part of the adventure. A scenic road winds toward the coast, revealing spectacular views before the beach suddenly appears below. Once you arrive, the combination of pale sand, clear blue-green water, and towering cliffs makes it easy to understand why Keem Bay is considered one of Ireland's most beautiful coastal escapes. There's plenty to do here beyond simply enjoying the view. Keem Bay is popular for swimming, walking, kayaking, surfing, snorkeling, and wildlife watching. The surrounding cliffs also provide fantastic opportunities for photography and peaceful coastal walks. Number 2. Glenveigh National Park. Glenveigh National Park in County Donegal is a place where Ireland's wild beauty feels completely untouched. Set among the rugged Derryveigh Mountains, the park stretches across more than 16,000 hectares of mountains, forests, lakes, and peaceful valleys, making it one of the country's most impressive natural escapes. One of the biggest reasons to visit is the combination of dramatic scenery and rich history. At the heart of the park stands the beautiful Glenveigh Castle, a 19th century mansion overlooking Lough Veigh, surrounded by carefully maintained gardens that create a striking contrast with the surrounding wilderness. What makes Glenveigh truly special is its atmosphere. Far from busy city streets, you can simply walk, breathe in the fresh mountain air, listen to nature, and enjoy the feeling of being surrounded by Ireland's wilderness. If you want to experience the quieter, more dramatic side of Ireland, Glenveigh National Park deserves a place on your itinerary. Number 3. Coamshingawn Lake. Coamshingawn Lake in County Waterford is one of Ireland's most dramatic hidden gems, tucked deep within the rugged Cormorag Mountains. Formed by glaciers during the last ice age, this striking Corrie Lake sits inside a natural mountain bowl, with steep cliffs rising dramatically around the dark, peaceful water. The real adventure begins with the hike. As you climb higher, the landscape opens up, revealing sweeping views across the mountains and the lake below. The scenery becomes even more impressive from the surrounding heights, making Coamshingawn a dream destination for hikers, photographers, and anyone who enjoys wild landscapes. If you're searching for an unforgettable Irish landscape that combines adventure with spectacular natural beauty, Coamshingawn Lake is a destination you won't want to miss. Number 4. Doolin. Doolin is a small coastal village in County Clare that captures the wild, welcoming spirit of Western Ireland. Sitting along the wild Atlantic Way and beside the dramatic Burren landscape, Doolin is surrounded by rugged scenery, ocean views, and plenty of opportunities for adventure. One of the biggest reasons to visit Doolin is its location. The famous cliffs of Moher are nearby, while the Aran Islands can be reached from Doolin Pier, making the village an excellent base for exploring the Irish Atlantic coast. But Doolin is much more than a convenient stop. Take a scenic cliff walk, explore the fascinating Doolin Cave, or head toward the coast for an unforgettable boat trip. The surrounding Burren landscape adds another layer of beauty with its unusual limestone formations and unique natural scenery. If you want dramatic coastal scenery, traditional music, outdoor adventure, and genuine Irish village charm all in one place, Doolin is a hidden gem that deserves a spot on your Ireland itinerary. Number 5. Kinsale. Kinsale is a charming coastal town in County Cork where colorful streets, historic landmarks, and a beautiful harbour come together to create one of Ireland's most memorable escapes. Often celebrated for its food scene, Kinsale is the kind of destination where you can spend the morning exploring history, the afternoon walking along the coast, and the evening enjoying fresh local cuisine. One of the must-see attractions is Charles Fort, a remarkable star-shaped fortress overlooking Kinsale Harbour. The walk toward the fort is just as rewarding, with spectacular views across the water and surrounding coastline. For another scenic experience, take the Silly Walk, a peaceful route along the harbour where you may spot seabirds and occasionally seals or dolphins. What makes Kinsale truly special is its atmosphere. Its narrow lanes, brightly painted buildings, waterfront views, and relaxed pace make simply wandering around feel like part of the adventure. If you want to experience history, coastal beauty, Irish charm, and incredible food in one destination, Kinsale is a hidden gem you won't want to miss. Ireland has a way of surprising you when you venture beyond the places everyone already knows. From the turquoise waters and dramatic cliffs of Keem Bay to the peaceful wilderness of Glenveagh National Park, every destination on this list offers a different glimpse of Ireland's natural beauty. Then there's the breathtaking Coimshingawn Lake, the traditional charm and coastal atmosphere of Doolin, and the colorful streets and waterfront of Kinsale. These hidden gems prove that some of the most unforgettable travel experiences can be found away from the crowded tourist trails. So, if you're planning a trip to Ireland, consider adding a few of these places to your itinerary. You might discover a side of the Emerald Isle you never expected.